Hey everyone, welcome back to the vlog. So today, we're diving into our 11th and 12th attractions of the day, Wandering Oaken's Sliding Sleighs. Now, you're probably wondering, why two numbers for one attraction? Well, you'll have to stick around till the end to find out. Trust me, it's a fun story you don't want to miss. So grab a snack, hit that like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Alright, let's jump right in and see what Wandering Sleighs is all about.
Hi guys! Welcome back to another vlog.
It's November 5th, Wednesday, and we're here at Hong Kong Disneyland. Right now, we're exploring the magical world of Frozen, and in this area, we're heading to our 11th and 12th attractions for today, Wandering Oaken's Sliding Sleighs. Wandering Oaken's Sliding Sleighs is the first Frozen-themed roller coaster in the world, and it officially opened on November 20th, 2023. You board a cozy sleigh themed after Kristoff's, pulled by Olaf and Sven, with 2 riders per car. The track is about 298 meters long, designed as a gentle, family-friendly coaster that's perfect even for first-time coaster riders. The queue is part of the fun. You walk through Wandering Oaken's trading post, past his sauna with Oaken himself greeting you on screen, and see all the Frozen-themed details, troll carvings, and workshop decor. Once aboard, the sleigh ascends with Olaf and Sven powering it, then glides through forested hills, caves, and scenic waters of Arendelle. It's short, only about 1 minute, but full of charm. A few tips if you plan to ride. Go early in the morning or late in the day for shorter wait times, and remember, it's a gentle, scenic coaster, perfect for families, kids, and Frozen fans who love the movie world brought to life.
You're almost there, Sven. We'll have our friends at the top of the mountain before they can say.
We actually rode it again because my husband realized his camera wasn't even turned on the first time, so nothing got recorded. It's way too fun to miss on camera, so round 2 it is. All good now after the second run.
You're almost there, Sven. We'll have our friends at the top of the mountain before they can say.
I'm supposed to be strong!
大家坐住滑雪橇，玩得開心。要獎勵 Sleighs。
And that wraps up our adventure in the world of Frozen for today. Next, we're heading over to Toy Story Land, so stay tuned for the next vlog to see what fun awaits there. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bells so you don't miss any of our Disney adventures. See you in the next one.